Good morning. It's Friday, February 20th. Dismal week here. Another episode of DJ Stocks. We're making peanuts. I'm covered with peanuts this week. Nothing going on. Nothing going on. Where's my money? Thank God I still got my singles. Otherwise, I'd have nothing. It's been a miserable week. Miserable week. We're going sideways. Sideways we are. Let me bring the music down. We'll talk about it. All right, let's go. There you go. Brought that music down. Let's get the ducks in a row. There you go. And mix them all around. Over here, there. Oh, wait a minute. No. Too many damn ducks. Too many damn ducks. I got them in a row, though. Yeah, we lost another $2,500 yesterday. We're down about $82,000. Oh, God. It makes me choke up saying it. Yeah, down $82,000 this month so far, and next week is it. I do believe next week is it. Let me check my calendar. We got 5 days next week, and then the month is done. This will rank up there with a couple of months last year where we tanked like this. I remember last February and March and November as bad months last year. So here we are, February of this year, and it's not looking good. We need to get the money machine working. And I don't have if you've been watching the channel, you know we've been putting some hope and prayers into February 25th. Good old Nvidia. Nvidia is coming up with their earnings. There's Sister Angelica again. There she goes. Say your prayers. Say your prayers every day and do a trade or two just to keep the blood flowing. Nvidia is going to have their earnings report, close of business the 25th, which I do believe is Wednesday. Yes, close of business Wednesday. We'll get numbers from Nvidia. And let me get my ball here. It's got a little bit of dust. Oh God. Got my crystal ball, and what's going to happen on the 25th is they're going to come out with their quarterly report. They're going to have bang up numbers, bottom and top line. And then Wall Street's not going to like their guidance or something. Something very, very small, like minute small, like this much. Something's going to be wrong and it's going to tank. That's my premonition of what's going to happen next Wednesday. So as you can see, I don't have much faith in Nvidia or at least Wall Street. So, but not to sound like old crotchety guy that I am, I have been buying, on the way down, I've been buying tranches of various stocks that I do like, right? And I'll show you the red ink and what I got so you can, I'm totally transparent here. We are transparent. So let's show you the portfolio here as it looks today, this morning. February 20th. Netflix was down again yesterday. American Express was down. Palo Alto Networks, the air just keeps coming out of that. Google was down yesterday. Palantir was down. Visa everything was down pretty much. Look at Nvidia was down just a little bit. Microsoft, United Healthcare, Robinhood, and AMD were our only. And there's our loss for yesterday. There's our current portfolio loss. So there you go. There's the ugly numbers. We're trying to make these numbers look a little bit better, but they are what they are at this point. And If you've been watching the channel, you know I like to sell things at a loss. So we'll be trying to come up with a strategy to crawl from underneath some of these, which may take a month or two. And stock market's down for this morning, at least coming out of the block. So let's hope that it changes. Let's see. The Dow's down 83 points. NASDAQ's down 55. Gold is up $30. Let's see what silver's doing. Good old silver starting to come back just a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't know if we got some Fed meeting coming up too. I'm not so sure. What is silver doing here? Let's see. Good old silver. I bet you it's up a little bit. It's up $2. It's $80.04. It's up $2.41. So it's slowly climbing back to the $100, $110, $111 it was. So it's starting its climb back up. So I totally recommend that you buy some of this stuff if you can hold on to it for many, many years, decades. That's the key. It's not silver and gold aren't flip transactions. You don't want to be buying silver and gold and then having to sell it in a year or two. So just a word of caution. If you get into precious metals, you need to have them. You need to hold them. You need to love them. You need to have them close near you. Boy, they're heavy. They are heavy. This is money, my friends. This is money. This stuff is just paper. This is just paper. So I recommend this if you can. You can get any of this stuff. And where do I get mine? SD Bullion is where I get mine. I've been buying there for years, so check them out on the intrawebs. Just beware of the premiums. Right now, premiums are at all-time high. You can buy some generic rounds and stuff that are like $3.50, I think is what they were offering. $3.50 an ounce. Probably the way to go. But at one point, a couple of weeks ago, it was like $12 an ounce premium, which is just crazy. Crazy and out of this world. It was beyond ducky, I'm telling you. All right. Yeah, I don't want to go wrong on these. Don't go wrong. You'll never go wrong on silver and gold and precious metals. You never will. It's a great asset. It will make you money in the future, and that's what a lot of people don't get, right? A lot of the middle class people spend their money. That's just being wasteful and non-productive. You need to save it and invest it in something that's going to return value and make you money in the future. Just saying. A lot of people don't get that. That's how you get wealthy. Being rich is one thing. Being wealthy is another. And if you want to be wealthy, you got to invest in things that are going to return you some money, some moolah, some capital, like real estate. Get yourself some real estate. Get yourself some precious metals. Invest in the stock market. Those are how you do it. That's how you get wealthy, my friends. There's a difference between rich and wealthy. You can be a millionaire and spend $1 million a year and you're rich. But when you're wealthy, you're building generational wealth. Wealth that is creating income for you. Businesses, right? Having businesses that generate income streams and allow you to generate income and then figure out how you want to use that income, buying other assets, and just being smart about your money. And I'm sad to say a lot of people in the middle class don't get it. They don't get it. So that's one of the goals of this channel, is to educate you people about finances that they don't teach you in college or high school. It's a shame the financial illiteracy that's going on out there. You need to search out some good sources of financial education, some good mentors, and good examples of people who are crushing it. People that are reaching up and grabbing that gold ring and putting it in their pocket. So if you made it this far, like, share, subscribe if you would. It's DJ Stocks here. We're trying to share with you our day trading journey as we try to make $80,000 a month. Yes, I said that. $80,000 a month is our goal. Not doing it this month. It doesn't appear we're going to make our goal this month, but there's always next month. It's DJ Stocks, over and out.